Are you looking to step up your mobile video content creation without breaking the bank? I'm going to show you a smartphone video rig that's under $25 right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Eddie Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Mobile video content creation has grown like wildfire over the past few years, thanks in part to the advancement in smartphone camera technology. One of the biggest mistakes I see brands and creators alike making is one of my founding rules for better video content creation, and that's going to be stabilization. So today, I want to show you a product I found some years ago, but still works just as well today when I'm creating content from my smartphone. And the best part, it's under $25. Also, with all of my product review videos, links to everything I talk about or use can be found in the YouTube description below. This is the Ulanzi U-Rig Pro smartphone video rig. Now this rig will allow you to get your hands away from your smartphone if you're filming off a tripod or any other kind of mounting solution, which is going to allow you to capture much smoother shots and just create better video content than holding your smartphone in your hands. Or you can mount the video rig to a tripod and use one of the cold shoe mounts that are built into the rig to mount things like LED lights and microphones to really take your mobile video content creation to the next level. But enough about what it can do and how much it costs, which is a steal by the way. Let's jump over to the bench to see exactly how you can use this to start creating better video content from your smartphone. So here you can see the Ulanzi rig right here. Now the cool thing about this is it's made of plastic. Yeah, I get that, but guess what? At this price point, you really can't complain too much. It's made of very rigid plastic, which I like. It also has the capability to, all you have to do is untighten this clamp on the back right here, and you can move this adjuster, and this thing can fit a massive phone. Now I use an iPhone XS, which easily fits in here, but you can see how big this gap actually is. So you can fit pretty much any mobile phone right now on the market into here, and it's kind of got this polyurethane, I guess rubbery type substance in here that's going to allow the phone not to be damaged by the hard plastic. Another thing that I really like about this Ulanzi rig is the cold shoe mounts that are on the top. Yes, it only has two, but what I really like about this is these are metal cold shoes. So not just little plastic cold shoes that may have a tendency to break. This is actually metal cold shoes on the top, which what I'm going to show you right now is you can bring in something like a Rode Video Micro, mount that to the top of this. Also, maybe bring in a Neewer CN160 LED light. And now what you have for under $25, now barring the price of the Rode mic and the LED light, but you have a mobile video rig system right here for under $25. And for this price point, obviously barring any of the accessories that I'm showing you right here, but the price point itself on the Ulanzi U-Rig smartphone, you are not going to find anything better right now for the price point. To learn even more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.